Hi, I'm Romeo. You may notice that my tradie outfit doesn't have a speck of dirt on it. And yeah, you're right. I'm actually not a tradie. My name's Romeo. I'm an accountant. But I thought because I've got so many trades businesses, I'd dress up as one and look like one of you guys. But I'm actually not. I'm an accountant. So yeah, my name's Romeo. I'm Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide. I do a lot of work for trades businesses. So today I've made a video on some tax tips, especially for you guys who are running trades businesses. So yeah, I hope you had a little chuckle at the accountant wearing training outfit without any dirt on it. But yeah, let's get into the tax tips I've got for you. Basically, before I go on, I've got a lot of tradies. So we've got lots of electricians and plumbers, some renderers and carpenters, builders, painters, steel fixers, concreters, plasterers, and probably a few more. I can't remember right now, but yeah, anyway, and tilers, of course, as well. Yeah, so my tips are for all trade people. I know you guys love using your hands, and you probably don't like the paperwork and accounting side, but I've got to tell you, don't run a trade business blindly without knowing the numbers. So you got to know if you're making money or not. So you got to love sending out the invoice. You're doing this because you're running a business and you really need to do it as well as possible so you can run your business. And the way to do that is to have an easy framework, and we can help you with that so that you're not flying blind and you know how much money you're making in your business and you've got the information in front of you to run the business well. It's a bit like, imagine watching a sports game without a scoreboard. The players will be running around not really knowing what they're doing. So same with you, you've got to run your business with the scoreboard so that you know if you're winning or losing and the appropriate decisions in circumstances. So you can use accounting pretty easily to run your business. Now, if you're not good at that, we can help you make it as easy as possible for you. It's really important. Number two, tax tip number two is you've got the right entity. So it depends on your family circumstance, how much money you're making or projecting to make, and yeah, maybe staff and situation like that. So we can suggest the right entity, which may be able to save you some money as well. If you've got some family members who aren't earning as much, you want to distribute to as well, we can look at trusts as well. So yeah, number three is making your accounting as simple as possible. So giving you a framework that will pick up all your deductions and having a good accounting system where you're running your invoices well, perhaps coping with GST and VAT returns as easy as possible, as well as knowing profit, knowing how much tax to keep aside for GST and taxes and pay-as-you-go installments. We can help you run that as easily as possible. Of course, you've got to know how to maximise your claims. So again, setting up the framework to pick up all your deductions is really important. You can get help with that. For instance, knowing number five, knowing how much to claim on your home office, having your gear at home and what we can do there, and also your vehicles, or if you're using a family car for work as well, we can look at what you can claim there and knowing how to maximise that. And also explain to you how super works and in being in business. If you do have a tax problem and paying a lot of tax, we can look at exploiting super so that you can reduce your tax as well. And also, when your business is doing really well, we can also look at some investments for you that are tax effective that can reduce your tax and also over the years create some wealth so that you know, whether your business is running really well, you'll do even better if you're guided into some good investment decisions. ultimately it's always up to you what you want to invest in, but we'll be supporting you, creating some wealth through whatever areas you like to invest most. And last of all, I just want to throw in, make sure you've got systems to make your business easy to run. If you need help with that, or for instance, you have had problems with bad debts, you really need to minimize your risk of having bad debts out there. So we can help you have a good system in place so you run your business a little bit better, and it makes it easier for you to get out and earn the money doing what you love in your trade. Thanks for listening, guys. Hope you got something out of those tips. And if you do need a good partner in your business, it can give you a little bit of an edge to minimize tax, perhaps even improve your business. We'd love to meet you and implement some of the things we just discussed. And yeah, an easy way to do that is just to find me on my website. My name is Romeo Caparasa. Our business name or our website is taxaccountingadelaide.com. If you reach out there and come on in for a free meeting, it's an important decision. So I recommend I'm the right. You meet me so that you make sure that I'm the right person for your business. It's a good partnership to have a good accountant for your business. It'll give you that edge to minimize tax, maybe create wealth in the future, and do good things in your super and have the right entity, and keep you up to date, and make life a little bit easier for you, give you some new ideas, and keep pushing you to do a little bit better on the dreaded accounting side of your business, which you may not love, but someone can make easier for you. So I'd love to meet you for that free meeting and have a bit of a talk on how we can help you and give you an idea of what we can do. Once again, my name is Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide. Thank you so much for listening, and yep, I'm really enjoyed very much radio outfit. Thank you. Yeah.